Hey! I'm gonna start off with a quick little disclaimer. I am not a makeup artist and I don't know what I'm doing. I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look. So Valentine's Day is coming up. Maybe you got a hot date coming up. I don't, but maybe you do. Maybe you don't know what to do for your makeup. I'm gonna fix that for you. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with this Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my eyes. I love this. And I always have and I always will. And then I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. It's a big, fluffy blending brush. And this ColourPop palette, the Element of Surprise. And I'm taking an unsurprising color. This is just a regular transition shade to start, give me a nice base. Then I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't know the names of the shades, I'm sorry, but this is like just a brownish transition shade. Putting that all over the lid. Then I'm taking this reddish brown, and putting that in the crease mainly. And then, I love this. I took a blush because I felt adventurous. And it's pink. It's called Your Love is King. It's by Too Faced. I'm just putting that in the crease to bring some Valentine's vibes. This is a brush I got in an Ipsy bag and I don't know the name of it. But I'm using it to apply a reddish color from the Jaclyn Hill palette into my crease and the outer V. And then I got this brush at Target, Sonia Kashuk. And it's clean and I'm just using it to blend everything I just did together and make everything look cohesive. Because we love a cohesive and clean look, don't we? Yes, we do. Good. Thanks. Nice. Okay, so taking this darkish, like, maroon shade, I'm going into the outer V to add some depth. Pretty cool. And so that's what everything looks like so far. And then this clip, I guess I just thought my eyes looked really nice. I don't know. And then back to the Element of Surprise palette. I'm going into this hot pink shade. So I'm taking the pink color and I'm just putting that in the crease and then a little bit above my crease because I'm going to cut the crease eventually. And I'm still putting it in there. Pretty good. And I just love the way this color looks over top of this like orangey red tone thing I got going on. Oh, love it. 10 out of 10. Great. Thank you so much. And now I'm going back in with that Sonia Kashuk brush and blending that pink up and out. So going in with another reddish brown, I am just going over that pink to kind of make everything more cohesive and then blending again with another blending brush. But now, to create some drama, I'm taking this like smudger brush. It's another BH Cosmetics brush, you know. And I'm going in with this dark brown over top of where I put that pink. And I know I keep saying dimension, but it's really adding some, say it with me, dimension. And then I just went back over that with the pink to kind of create this purpley fuchsia, I don't know, this cool look. So yeah. Now I'm taking Shape Tape in the shade Fair, and I'm going to cut the crease. So that's me cutting the crease, and that's what it looked like after, and that's what it looked like when I did both of them. Good. And now I'm going back in with that pink just to make sure that it's visible. Oh, God, we're going so fast. NYX Epic Ink Liner, drawing some wings on the look to add more drama. They're uneven, but who cares? Not me. And, oh, God. Okay, that was a lot. Anyway, I'm going in with my NYX glitter primer and that pink shadow from before, and what I'm doing is laying that glitter primer down over top of the wing that I drew, and then putting the pink shadow on top of that, and then I'm using this Visa gift card to keep the line crisp and clean. So that is what one eye looks like. Now, here's what both eyes look like, and I guess I was pretty proud of it, so good. Now I'm blending everything again, going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's time to highlight the inner corners. Love it. So I'm going in with this bright ass blinding shade first. Then I'm doing this pink one, still blinding, but more pink. And then I'm taking this darker one. It's like pink and it's got some gold in it. And then I'm going in with some actual glitter. Because why not? Valentine's Day is a day to be extra. I'm not going to wear this on Valentine's Day, but if you do, add as much glitter as you please. Be as extra as you want. Then I'm putting this purple on my lower lash line and then blending it out for more drama and extraness. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Cool. And then I just did all my other makeup off of camera. Please leave my eyebrows alone. I know they look atrocious, but it's really fine. I'm not going anywhere. I actually took all my makeup off after this and took a nice shower. So yeah, I hope you like it, because I do. I'll put the details of face makeup in the description if you're interested. But the highlight, I don't remember the shades, but they're two Wet n Wild Megaglos. So yeah. And then I wanted to show off this look with a couple different lips. So this is Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade It's Happening. This is Kokie Cosmetics Kissable Liquid Lipstick in Mad About Mauve. And this is Stila Liquid Lipstick in Patina. I didn't film an outro because I ran out of storage on my phone. It won't even let me take any pictures, but I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this look. Sorry for this bad quality. I'm on my iPad. Can you see it? There we are. So, subscribe and follow me on my stuff. That's all. Stay tuned. Love ya. Happy Valentine's Day. Or if you don't like it, boo. Valentine's Day sucks. Bye. Peace out. Subscribe.